Hi everyone, Caroline here. There's a lot of incoming light right now on the planet and it's affecting our physical bodies. And because of that light that is coming into these dense bodies, some of us are not feeling that good. And this is the reason why I want to talk about this, just to encourage us to become more physical. The light is stimulating our nervous system and you're feeling some sort of way. So if we can ground this energy into the earth by doing some physical activities with these beautiful bodies that are now carriers of light, it's going to be so helpful. Are you doing any kind of physical activity? It is so encouraged at this time, or rather I would encourage you to do something, even if it just means walking. Walk to shake out that energy and ground it into the earth. Run to shake out that energy and ground it into the earth. Jog if you must. Do some yoga. You know what I mean? Those days we used to do all these meditations and whatnot, but those things just allow the energy to flow within us and to stay within us on the spiritual realm. But now it's about physicality. These physical beings, which we are, have to live on this earth with this much light, and we have to move our physical bodies to the degree that we can. Anyone who is in a position to move. Do some kind of exercise, move, dance, you know what I mean? Life is here to be experienced in the physical now and to be enjoyed in the physical now, and we got to be strong. We got to be healthy for this. We got to be ready for this, and we got to ready our bodies. In addition to these physical things that we are doing, we got to also hydrate. Make sure you're drinking a lot of pure water or good water to the degree that you can. Make sure you're eating good food, nourish yourself, and even if you don't have access to whatever good food is available out there, bless that food and just trust that your body is going to be able to handle it. There's a lot of things that people say about so many things, and even I used to say a lot of things about a lot of things, but I know that my body is wise. Like these days, I kind of understand that my body will not allow me to take in things that are not good for me. I just kind of know it, When things are not good for me, I usually don't take them. And when things are good for me, whether people say this and that about that thing, or whether I used to believe that that thing was this and that, my body receives it and it transforms it into something that is beneficial for me. Once you've reached a certain point, there's certain things that just cannot happen by virtue of who you are. This is just what it is. You know what I mean? This is just the energy that you carry within. It transmutes everything. It transforms everything. It changes everything. And this is for me. Okay, so if you're experiencing things that are contrary to what I'm experiencing, that is fine, because everybody's different. Everybody's walking in a different path. As we are transforming, we are embodying, we are carrying on and taking in certain characteristics that are, unexplainable. You know what I mean? We are all moving and becoming these types of beings that are walking on higher levels. And now is the time to embrace those truths. We can't shy away from who we are. We can't shy away from what we know. We are totally different right now. Things have changed. Yeah, they have, and we must embrace it. And this is just the beauty of where we are going. We can't just be hiding like, oh my God, I can't talk about these things. Oh my God, I can't perceive these things. Oh my God, what's someone going to think about me if I think this way or if I say this and that? No. Things have changed. We are now these powerful beings walking on this earth. And we have to maintain the physical body. So for those of us who are here now in these momentous times, who are able to experience the beauty of the light that is coming in, who are able to be in this physicality right now at this time, let's make use of these things. Just get out, walk, run, jog, join a social group, begin to live, begin to experience something. Begin to shine, and you don't even have to say anything. Shine in your own right by virtue of the person that you are. You know what I mean? I've just noticed how unhappy some people are. Oh my gosh, some people are so unhappy. And I know I used to be like that at some point, but there's just something that clicked in me. And these days I'm literally just coming out of myself. I used to force myself to do these things, but these days I'm noticing that I'm more willing to be part of something outside of myself, of groups that are outside of myself. They don't even have to be jiving with me, because by virtue of me being there, situations are jiving with me. It's not so much about, oh my gosh, those people, they need to kind of, embrace me. now I'm being embraced, not because of any other reason, but because my light is shining without me even having to say anything. It wasn't easy, but I'm noticing that it's becoming so much easier. And I'm enjoying myself, which is very interesting. I never used to enjoy myself in these things, but now I'm enjoying myself just being me. Not needing to tell anybody anything about myself, not needing to explain my spirituality to anyone. You know what I mean? Those days I used to think, oh my gosh, maybe I should say something. I don't say anything. I just go and do what I need to do because life is here to be enjoyed. We are here to enjoy life. I mean, otherwise, what does it mean? What does it mean? We ain't going nowhere. You know what I mean? We are these beings living on earth at this time, shining our light in these physical beings, and that's just what it is. So, what are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Tell me. I want to hear what you're doing with your life, how you're grounding your physicality, how you're experiencing these energies so that they're not really destabilizing you. You know, there's a time a lot of us, when we got into this thing, we used to be destabilized and, oh my gosh, a little solar flare or a little light coming in and we'd be thrown off. And we'd be like, oh my God, I'm experiencing these symptoms, which is fine. A lot of people are still experiencing these symptoms, which it is what it is. But for a lot of us, we're not experiencing these symptoms. We are kind of thriving through this thing. We're kind of we have to allow ourselves to thrive. Let's not hold on to those things that used to make us feel some type of way. These things have changed now. Life is different now. It can be different now. Just choose to hang on to these, the positive side of this pendulum. Just choose to swing from that side of it and just try to experience life. Just try to live your life and just kind of be happy and joyful and create this. We are the ones putting this rubber stamp on what things need to be, on how they need to look like. It's no longer about the old. Man, those old energies are done. Those old energies and those perspectives of looking at things from, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. They're done, it might seem like that because things are crumbling, but elevate consciously from within. Let it start from inside you and just grab onto that makes you this powerful being that can enjoy this life. Man, otherwise life can be F-U-C-K-E-D, man. It can be so bad, man. So we got to do what we got to do, to kind of shine and just live. Let's just live. Let's just live. Let's just enjoy life. Let's just not hold on to the threads. Go on vacation. A wonderful friend of mine went on vacation the other day after a long, long, long time, and she had a great, great time. Do something with someone. Do something with friends. Do something physical. Go out and dance. I was telling my friend the other day, dance in your apartment, Listen to music, loud music, and dance. Don't care about what people are thinking or who's thinking what. Man, we have one life to live, right? All right, guys. Let me know what you're doing. I love you. Bye.